I'm Becca, and welcome to Styled by Zulily, where I show you how to work your wardrobe. Today, I'm going to share my styling tips on how to pack for a girls' weekend so that you can avoid overpacking. This first look is great for travel days. A pair of loose-fitting pants, a tee, and a cardigan are comfy enough for the car or plane, but allow you to be ready for anything once you arrive. This next look is perfect for a day of exploring. We brought back the white tee and sneakers from the previous look and added a trench and a pair of relaxed fit denim. For this night out look, we paired a statement dress with a simple tee and added a belt to cinch the waist. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to share your new outfits using #StyledbyZulily and keep an eye out for more styling tips.